Ethel and Celia.
Ha-cha-cha.
Yeah.
You remind me of Meryl Streep. Now that's a good Jew.
Hello, this is Ethel and Celia. And
Ethel, where did you put my Vicodin?
that is a foreign exchange grammar.
I found them.
She's Jewish.
Yeah.
I'm French. I drink a lot. And
You didn't tell them how you were a sex addict.
Yeah.
we decided to shave Celia's eyebrows. I have it here to show you. It's right here.
Yeah.
I haven't seen a bush that big since 1943.
Okay. I don't know what just happened with the video. It broke for a second.
That's because your skanky fingers were all over it.
She's quite a Mardi grandma. She's a foreign exchange grandma.
Gonna be a foreign exchange great grandma if you don't quit whoring it up.
Anyway, so we're going to sing for you.
Yeah.
Celia likes birds, so we're going to sing Nelly Furtado's I'm like a bird.
Like a bird.
Again,
A bird.
I'm French.
No, that's the wrong one.
Celia had scarlet fever when she was younger, and
Yeah.
that part of her brain was erased. It's still in character.
We're going to go.
Play the fucking song! It's part of my French. I'm allowed to do that. You're beautiful, that's for sure.
For sure.
You're never ever afraid.
Fade.
You're lovely, but it's not for sure.
No.
Then that won't ever change. And though my love is rare,
Rare, rare, rare, rare.
and though my love is true, it stopped.
Shit.
I haven't had shit like that since I last took a shit. You're rubbing your face with her eyebrows.
Ew.
I got it in my mouth. Ooh.
It's really quite disgusting.
It's on my lips.
Now my lips itch.
I feel like I just kissed your eyebrows.
I want it back.
Okay.
Make it grow.
No.
Oh, damn it.
Anyway, don't touch the button. I have hair on my lips from the eyebrow clippings. And we wanted to say thank you for watching us.
Thanks.
So you did not see your hand.
Thanks.
There you go. And we'll see you soon if you like the video. And we are both single ladies